Hello students. Probability or the question from mathematics, or you can say from TMGT also. Okay, so the question is, how many 4-digit even numbers have all 4-digit distincts? Okay, so it's telling that 4-digit even numbers which have all 4 digits distincts, right? Now check this out. How many even numbers we have? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Means unit digit. The unit one, it's this only, right? 1 to 5 digits we have. 5 unit digits. So now just we have 4-digit even number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So anything which will end with 0 will be even, right? So whichever the numbers which are ending with 0 will be divisible by 2. So if it is divisible by 2, it will be even, right? So just fix 0 out here. Okay, we have fixed 0 out here because any number ending with 0 will be even. Okay, now check this out. This part, so remaining places, so this part will be filled with how many places 0 cannot happen. So we have remaining 9 digits. Okay, means from 1 to 9. So 9 digits we have, so this can be filled with 9 places, this can be filled with 8, because no repetitions are allowed, right? In the question it is given that there is no repetitions. Distinct digits, it is given as distinct, so distinct means no repetition. Now this will be covered with 7. Okay, so total number of ways, so for this one we have 9 into 8 into 7, so this will be 5 not 4 ways for the first condition. This is the first condition. Now check out the second condition. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now if it is ending with these 4 digits also, this will be even, right? So if this is ending with 2 4 6 comma 8, so this will be even also. Fine. Now there is no means distinct digit should be used, right? So first place cannot be 0. This cannot be 0. If it is 0, then it will be a 3-digit number. Okay, so 0 is not possible. So except 0, all values are possible, and these values, among these values also one value will be used out here. Say for example, if we are using here 4 and 0 cannot be used, so we are left with how many digits? 8 digits only. Okay, so this place can be filled with 8 ways. Now remaining this part, now here 0 can come. If we place 0 here, now it is okay. So now 4 is also already there, one digit has already come here, so we are again left with 8 part. Now with the 8. So for the second condition, how many ways are there? The total number of ways here is, and yeah, and this place, in this place we have to select one out of these 4, right? So this will be 8 into 8 into 7 into 4 C1. So this will be totally 1792 ways. So the total number of ways of the 4-digit numbers having all 4-digit distincts will be sum of this one and this one. Okay, so this will be 504 plus 1792. So total will be 2296 ways. So which option is matching? Second is matching, therefore answer is B. Okay, thank you.